Welcome guys, today I am with the POCO X4 GT and I want to show you 5 camera tips. So the first, let's focus on the zoom feature. As you can see, we can currently go between these 3 modes, and if you want to get more modes, you can tap on this 2x, and as you can see right here we got 5 and also the 10x. And with this slider you can smoothly adjust the zoom feature in this smartphone. Of course, you can still use this method with pinching the screen with your 2 fingers. And that's, by the way, the quality of this zoom in this smartphone. Okay, let's go for the 1x, and another tip will be about the brightness adjustment. And so as you can see currently, that's good lighting condition, but if you want to decrease the brightness level, you can just move this sun icon. This icon shows on the screen when you tap on it once. As you can see, there it is. We can decrease or increase. Another tip we can move, we can find right here. We can find right here different filters. As you can see, they quickly change the color and the temperature. That's a lot of different filters, and if you want to take photo, for example, with this one, that's the classic black and white. Click, and as you can see, the photo was taken. To get back for the normal look, just go for the normal right here. When you click in this place, you will be able to get the camera timer between 3, 5 or 10 seconds. So when you click like that, after this time, the photo will be taken. As you can see, that's very simple. And I want to show you the last tip. It will be in the more modes, and it's called the 64 megapixel mode. And right now, when you take a photo like that, you will get definitely more details than using any other modes. Take a look, for example, right here. There is a lot of details. We can compare with this photo. As you can see, we cannot zoom that close, and there's definitely less details on this keyboard. So yeah, that's all for this smartphone. That was the POCO X4 GT. If you find this video helpful, just remember to like, comment and subscribe.